Okay, so we have this Maytag 2000 series. It was washing clothes, but most of the time it would come up with it would error out E1 or F9E1, E1 F9 F whatever, E1 F9. So it wasn't working. What you want to do with any error that you have here is this panel here. It's over there. There are 3 screws. You screw here, screw here, screw here. It's not really screws, but you'll have to take those off, and that panel will come off. And in this panel, there's this. I tried figuring out, what does E1 F9 mean online. The user manual mentions it once. It says there's a drain problem. So the user manual has a little paragraph about it, very small. This one's very nice. The one in here, this is one the technicians will use when they come. All of this information here is on F9E1. Long drain. If drain time exceeds 8 minutes, the water valves turn off, the washer turns off, and you got to restart everything. So this manual is really nice. It has all the apparently all the errors in it. Gives you a lot of description on it. Pretty cool. So for this one, F9E1, apparently it's long drain. It's taking over 8 minutes to drain. Sure. On this one, the draining was working, but apparently it wasn't working fast enough. What you have to do to clear it is this. You unscrew this way and have a bucket ready to catch all the water that comes out. But you unscrew it, and inside, I guess I'll show you. Let me drain it first. This is what it should look like. That's a lot of water. This bucket will fill up quick. This is a 5-gallon bucket, and it fills up real quick. Okay. So you're gonna unscrew this. You'll probably want to turn the power off, but I don't have to because I'm awesome. And inside here, you'll have this. And this will catch everything that comes from your clothes. In our case, it was this. All of this was restricting the flow. It's taking a long time to drain. See $1 in there. Mostly change. But I cleaned that out. Put it back in, and we're good to go. If that doesn't do it, it's tight. Okay, it's back on. I guess I didn't have to, but you might take the pump apart a little more. See if anything is blocking the propeller in here. Probably not, but I don't know, could be. This is the pump. It could be that your pump doesn't work. Mine works fine, just that it was blocked and couldn't pump enough water. All the way back there, you see the main motor. Anyways, so that was my problem, and that's how I fixed it. And I'd suggest anyone who has errors on this, take that panel off right there, and take a look in here. You'll get a lot of information from this that isn't in the normal manual. Or online, apparently. I couldn't find anything.